Jain class 9th students. Children, today we will revise chapter 1 of economics and chapter 1 of geography. These are portion of your PT1 test, and I want to tell you that your PT1 is going to start from 10th August, and new timetable will be provided to you very soon. So children, what you need to do is you have to revise the story of village Palampur, and in geography you have to prepare and revise chapter 1 India, size and location. Okay, so wherever there is any problem, you will ask me. I am always here to help you. You have to make internal questions from both chapters. Okay, the story of village Palampur. What were the main occupation of the village Palampur? Where was it located? What other occupations people used to follow besides agriculture? What were the various advantages of the supply of electricity in village Palampur? And in geography, India lies in which continent? Name the 3 water bodies of India by which it is surrounded. Why India is called a peninsular country? How many states and union territories are there in India? Which line divides India into 2 halves? In which continent India lies? In which hemisphere India lies? What is the position of India in area? What percentage of land is acquired by India of the total land of the world? Okay, so many questions are there, and the most important thing is that you will go through the books, question answer and exercises. If there is any problem in books, question answer and exercises, I am here to help you. So no need to worry, keep on learning and preparing for PT1. Thank you.